Hello people. Welcome back to Kvflox, my YouTube channel. I have new amazing idea for you. But before that you need to have Canva Pro. So I decided to do a video about how to get Canva Pro freely. So now let's go to the video. So here, first you go to the web browser and search Canva. After that you can see this screen. Then click Sign In button. And click Continue another way. And then you have to enter email. Here we don't use personal email. Go to the web browser and search temp mail. Then click the first link that you have here. Now in this screen you can see it generate temporary mail. After it generates, copy that mail address. Go back to Canva site and paste it there. Click Continue button. Now here you can use your original name. And I enter my name as Lucifer. And click Create Account. Then after go back temp mail website. There you can see in the inbox. You have a mail from Canva. Click it and copy that code. And go back to Canva site and paste that on there. Then you log into Canva. Next, again go to web browser and search Bingo Tingo Canva. And here also go to the first link that you have. And scroll down this website. At the bottom you can see there is a countdown. You have to wait until it over. And after that you got download button. Click it. Then you have this window. Click Get Here. Okay people, now you have your pro version.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now let's check this out. Is it work? Here now I am going to create a YouTube thumbnail. And I search YouTube thumbnail. And got this templates. Here I am going to select Pro template. And this is it. Now I click share and download it. You can see it is downloading. So that's meaning it's actually working. Okay friends. Here we come to end of our video. Next video I am going to show you a nice content about how to create money with this Canva Pro. So subscribe now my channel and click the bell icon, then you can get notification when I upload it. Hit a like and give a comment friends. Show some love. Thank you.